and the celebration of musical excellence on the field now. Up first, under the direction of Dr. Everson Martin, the sounds of dynamite from Alcorn State University. On the other side. Let's see what they got.
Georgia, let me hear you make some noise. classic medley hits from Champaign. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me make this perfectly clear. You will never have to question who the largest HBCU in the nation is. A&T, let me hear you make some noise for your North Carolina A&T State University. Ladies and gentlemen, this is halftime entertainment at its best. Make some noise for the blue and gold marching machine. Too beautiful, too classy, and too versatile. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the sweethearts of the MEAC, the beautiful and versatile ladies of Golden Delight. Ladies and gentlemen, no one better than Golden Delight. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when the show is over, let the truth be told. Everything that glitters just ain't gold. A&T, make some noise for the beautiful ladies of Golden Delight. And now, A&T, you know what time it is? It's party time. If I have any Aggies in the house that's ready to party, let me hear you make some noise. Let's go.
All right, fellas, you had a chance to see both bands. I want you all to chime in on your thoughts.
I'll go first, Jeff. I thought the medley from Champaign here was awesome, although the Aggies' numbers look like they're down a little bit, but the ladies of Golden Delight were really on their game today. I think they were in full marks, Jay.
I'm going to say this. I like how Alcorn stayed to their roots, and they had a nice version of Gregory Porter's Holding On. That's a little down-home, earthy song there that was good. But the numbers I've seen from North Carolina A&T, they sounded louder, and 19 Golden Delights, oh, that gives them the edge.
Look, Alcorn was fantastic. Sorry, A&T, they got the W in my book.
Okay.
They're rolling today.
Undisputed #1, A&T.
This halftime report is presented by Mercedes-Benz. The best or nothing.